What's going on, guys? It's been a very long time since I picked up this camera, but today we are changing that because 2020, as cliche as I said before for New Year's resolutions, I'm planning to do more videos, car related, non-car related, just pick up the camera and do more. So today we're starting that off, and it's actually gonna be a fun day because we're doing some modifications to this truck and the Subaru. And I'll catch you guys up on my channel and what cars I still own. So this here, as you guys may know, probably how you found my channel, is my extremely dusty, neglected 2014 Subaru WRX hatch. Basically, STI everything, transmission, brakes, built motor. But if you guys want to know more about this, I have tons of videos. I'm not going to waste too much time talking about this. But this is the first car that I bought with my own money, 2014 Subaru WRX. The other car I have, which you guys just saw, is a 1963 Ford F100. Picked that up off a friend. He basically handed it off to me. He's in the US Navy. The other car that I have is a 1999 BMW 323i, which hopefully I'll be selling soon. I picked that up off a coworker for a pretty good deal, and I thought I'd use it more as a daily driver. Turns out, don't really drive it that much. And the fourth and final car I own is a Honda Ruckus, which I actually went 50-50 with Adam, AA Motorworks. And for also a while, you guys may have known, I had a 1966 Mustang convertible, which is Michaela's dad's. He just basically handed that to me, said, you find the work for the car and I'll write the checks. So I had that in my possession for probably a year and a half. I ran out of space to keep it, so I just handed it back to him. But today what we have planned is, let me get out of this car, which is hard to do without practice. We're going to be changing out the hood vents to black, and then we'll also be adding an actual functional front splitter. So I'm not sure if I'll be able to run the lip, but it's going to be a full underneath front splitter made out of wood. Eric Tangerine STI, who designed the hood vents, he is the one that designed the splitter. And then for the truck, the stereo system does not work currently. I mean, only side that does is this side, and it's choppy, so I'm putting new speakers in, adding a subwoofer and a new head unit. So that's what's going down with the truck. But this will be the first, I guess, video of 2020, and I'll show you guys a walk around of the Ruckus later. I have some POV footage that I took. Everyone should remember Mark. He's been on the channel for a very long time. He's the one that actually installed my backup camera and head unit on our cars. He did the same for his. See, he did his more in the middle, and then we got the same Pioneer head unit right there. And then I sold him, or actually just gave him, my Alcantara centerpieces. And he copied me with the green wheels. Nothing ever goes as planned. All these screws are completely rusted in. Tried hitting them with lithium grease, huge flathead screwdriver, and they're not coming out. So I think the next best option is drill them out. But we got the other side out. Those speakers are going in. I mean, this thing is just so rusted. As you can see, these speakers are like falling apart. And this is always happens with car things. Some things never seem to work out. Alright, after I completely destroyed this panel to get these bolts out, or screws out, 1 out of the 6 were not rusted. Alright, test number 1. See if the stereo works and the speakers on the right side.
It's on the #1 root concealer in the world from L'Oreal. Magic Root Cover-Up Spray. In just 3, 2, 1, you're done. Sprays on easily, dries in a flash. Washes out in
Nice.
one shampoo.
It works. Eric's here. We swapped out the black.
What's up?
Got a splitter going in.
It's all dirty right now.
No one sees it. No, just cut it.
Let's go ham. Was it 8?
So I'll need to be buying some splitter rods and then probably mount it somewhere to crash beam. I'll have to figure that out.
See, I mounted mine down here.
Oh, underneath?
Yeah.
You can get some long ass ones and like, who knows? We'll see. We'll figure it out.
Oh, that's perfect.
That doesn't stick out that bad.
Well, because it's not in all the way.
I'll put like my feet like under. Oh, it's scary.
Voila.
Down carefully.
Oh,
Nice.
that's what that is. Sweet. It just feels sketch.